Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Monday, July 29th, 2024. My name is John. This is my channel, The Origin Factory. As you see in the opening there, we're doing a driving video today. But before I get to all that, I want to thank our subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. It's what helps us out the most as a new channel, as we're fast approaching 500 subscribers. And that was my goal for the month of July, was to hit 500. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you're willing to do so, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you're currently subscribed, if you could please also continue to support us by either like, commenting, sharing. So today we're doing a driving video. We went out on Saturday, me and my friend Mike. As you saw in the opening there, the red, white, and blue truck is my Vanquish VS410 base truck. It started out as an Origin. I say started out as an Origin because it no longer has the D44s under it. It now has plastic F10 axles, but it still sports the Vanquish, the axial-based Vanquish 3 gear with a Vanquish dig unit hanging off the back. It also has a Fusion Pro SE 2300 kV along with a Reese 500 raw for steering. What else does it have? Yeah, that's kind of the nuts and bolts of it. And the other truck is my friend Mike. That's his Phoenix with a Zoku low CG chassis, which he's typically the person I am out with if you see my driving videos. So just wanted to do a little driving video to break things up a little bit, as we're in the hottest part of the summer for us right now. So the weekends are kind of hit or miss for going out. Thankfully, we went out early on Saturday just to kind of beat the heat. We really have high humidity here in the summer, and it gets kind of unbearing at times. So grateful to have a nice day to go out and actually drive our little trucks instead of work on them. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video. I'll talk a little bit at the end, and we'll see you in a couple minutes. So yeah, so that was our skate park. That's about a half hour, 45 minutes from where we live. We really like it. It's got a lot of vertical, sheer rock and stuff like that. So it's got a lot of step up. So it's a very hard rock. It's not like sandstone. It's not very grippy, It's almost polished in some spots. And if you watch some of the video, you can see that my truck is actually spinning on an incline. We jokingly call that spot the Devil's Treadmill. And the tires on my truck in this video were the Proline Trepadors, and they do fairly well. They don't do great on the polished rock, but I haven't found a tire yet that does really good on the polished rock. So if you guys have any suggestions for tires that work on a slippery surface, I am running the G8 compound. I have used the Predator compound also. Don't see a huge difference with my trucks using between the two compounds. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, we're trying to hit our 500 subscribers for the month of July. So thank you to our subscribers already. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you could please subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you could continue to support us by either liking, commenting, or sharing, it would be also appreciated. So hope you guys have a great week. I'm not sure what the other video this week's going to be, but we're going to pump out another one, hopefully maybe even by the end of the month, and maybe do another one this week to try and get our numbers up for the end of July, see what happens. Like I said, we're trying to hit 500 subscribers, so cross your fingers. Let's hope for the best. Like I said before, God bless. Hope you guys are well. We'll talk to you soon.